Okay, lesson 26-2. This is going to be volume of cylinders and spheres. So this will be our last volume lesson. All right, so we're going to apply the formula for volume of cylinders and spheres. All right, and this we're going to do one cylinder example and one sphere. Again, using the formula. All right, so cylinders, your formula is volume equals area of the base times the height. We've worked with this formula before with our prisms, rectangular prisms and triangular prisms. Okay, so let's look at our cylinder. We have 11 inches, and then our radius here is 3 inches. Okay, and this example is out of page 343. We are going to find the volume. Okay, volume is capital B is area of the base. In this cylinder, and any cylinder, your base is a circle. So guys, you need to get out your formula sheet. Area of the circle is pi r squared times h is our height. Our height of our cylinder is 11. Okay, so again, you need to slow down, look at your formula sheet, recall what the variables represent, and just take it a step at a time. So pi times your radius is 3 because it's the middle of the circle to the outside, 3 squared times 11. So volume, pi, 3 times 3 is 9 times 11. Volume, pi times 99. I'm going to use the pi button. So volume is approximately 311.017. Now, I'm going to round to the hundredth. The 1 is in the hundredths place, so I look next door at my 7. Since it's 5 or greater, this 1 goes up to a 2. So volume is 311.02 inches cubed. Okay, volume is always units cubed. So this is the space inside your little water fountain here, this cylinder. Okay, so that's volume of a cylinder. Now, let's look at a sphere. Again, these formulas are on your formula sheet. Okay, so I'm going to draw my sphere. Okay, and then from the center of the sphere to the outside, so the radius of the sphere, we're going to say that's 3 centimeters. Okay, if you look on your formula sheet, your formula volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. So again, I'm just going to follow my formula step by step. The 4/3 isn't going to change. Pi is not going to change. My radius is 3, so times 3 cubed. And then I'm going to evaluate. So volume is 4/3 times pi times 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3. So that's times 27. Now, you can enter this into your calculator. What I'm going to do is cross simplify. So 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 27, 9. And then I'm going to do 4 times my 9. And that gives me 36. And then I have pi. So that'd be 36 pi over 1, which is just 36 pi. Again, guys, you can use your calculator here. So 36 times pi, again I'm using the pi button, is 113.097. If I round to the hundredth, the 9 is in the hundredths place. When I look next door, 7 is 5 or bigger, so this 9 is going to go up to a 10, and I've got to carry my 1. So for space, I'm going to move over. Volume is 113.10 centimeters cubed. Again, volume is always units cubed. All right, so I've got formula, I've got work. Once you get here, you can put that into your calculator and you'll get the answer. Okay? And then here's the rest of my work. Okay, I just used my calculator for that very last step, but then also you can always go back and check. Okay? So formula, work, answer. And the last thing we'll do is write our summary. Okay? Be prepared to share in class.